Okay guys, this is the before. We may not get the full after today, but we're going to be working on the filming room today. So first things first, let's move this stuff out of here. Hyperlapse begins now. I don't know where all this stuff used to be at. That's not gonna work. But get sleepy. It should be right here, you think, huh?
Here or there.
That picture is sticking out. How long is it?
No, it's gonna be like from there to day bed. Cause think about your boundary, then your boundary could go here. And your little table's over here. If you put it here, your table's got to go somewhere. If you put that bed here, where your boundary gonna go? I'll put the bed across here. Then you got all this space left for your table, boundary, the other stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, well let me vacuum.
I'm
gonna vacuum the floor so wherever we set it up at, it won't be dirty right there. There's the video, guys. The exact one that I purchased will be in my description box down below.
Give me some of your address for you.
They can't see that. Somebody zoom all the way in over there. I know some. Just to be sure nobody sees my address. The zip code. If you zoom in closely, you can see where it says.
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I could sleep here with all this stuff.
My ring light? My ring light? Oh, do spend the night. I'd rather be the one sleeping in here. I'm sleeping here quick with the big bed. You can sleep in there. Wow. Wow.
We gotta put all these
Here go the instructions, right?
Put a picture of it.
Oh, can't do this without these sides.
Yes, right up. We got to screw all them poles.
Yeah.
Girl.
It's so pretty. Oh, we can test it and see. So this is the back of it, right? It's only 4 steps. That's a big booklet. Some you can't even read.
4 steps. With pictures, I like this. No black folks gonna read no directions. Come on.
Yeah, we gonna read some directions because my nephew gonna be sleeping on this.
Okay, that will go on there then. It's 4 legs A, 2A and 2B. They look like this. Yep, that's them right there. They got it on there.
It say B.
But the thing is, they go opposite of each other.
These say B.
Here, these 4, 3, 4. These the one you need, and this first. Little L. Got the seals in this clip.
Mom, they don't match. That's not the wide. It goes like this. The wide side goes up. Look at this.
I know it go like that, but just on the outside, yes.
Mom.
They both have to be on the inside.
You just swapped them. I had them laying correctly.
The wide side down.
The wide side is not down. This is up. Up. When you stand it, I'm laying it down, but it's up. Oh, she says, guys. We need D side. D side.
She make it sleep.
Lincoln came over because he ready to lay in his bed. We're gonna let y'all see what Lincoln think of his bed when he wake up and I finish all of it.
You gotta put his polishes up there, he'll feel right
Gotta put the nail polishes right near the bed. So you feel right at home. Okay, which side you wanna do first? The L. What I do with the L? It's way over here. Did you just get mad? You just got passively mad. I saw you the way you laid the thing down. But it's all good.
You got it in there?
I can't do it at the same time as you.
Oh, okay.
You like taking it basically. Alright, I must be getting out of
Put one on top over here?
Yeah, you can. My big brother just got here,
Dominique
guys.
can give you hers and I
My
give
big
you
brother's
Dominique.
Action.
So tighten one all the way, go a little bit, then come down here, tighten a little bit. Now come on this end, tighten a little bit.
That's gonna fall out though.
No, we should snap them in.
I put them in here, because I want to make sure Lincoln ain't gonna fall. Don't say it's gonna fall.
Mom, huh?
My camera's about to die. Alright, real quick before the camera dies, basically, we're going to take these and you're going to
It's got some little
snap that into place. I'm going to repeat that on all of these, guys. Remind me to buy another battery too if y'all still watching. Action. The camera want to be so disrespectful. Okay, cue the mattress promo. So after you order your mattress, you receive it at your front door. I'm going to go ahead and bring the mattress to the room where we'll be unboxing it, which is my beauty / guest / film room. If you all are new to my channel, you know that I recently moved out of my parents' house, so I get to have a filming room now. I decided to go with the twin size so that it won't take up too much space in the room, but I also have a place for other people to sleep when they come over. And you can get sizes all the way up to California King. So I'm going to position the box on its side the way I can unbox the mattress. I'm actually sliding this mattress out of the box by myself. That's crazy. This bag is not a toy. Also inside of the box, there is a Lull booklet that tells you everything you need to know about Lull and your mattress. It was details about the 100-night trial. There's a section for frequently asked questions and also details on how to get rid of your old mattress. Luckily, guys, I can do this by myself. Who needs help? Not me. So I'm going to use some scissors to gently cut open the inner plastic, being careful not to snip the cover. And after that, the mattress will immediately start to take on air and it's going to expand. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Him! Oh, listen. I'm recording! Y'all ain't heard that in a while, huh? I got company, so I get to say that. Listen, can you hear it? Can you hear that? Maybe not, but you can hear it, guys. Clearly, I'm excited. I removed the rest of the plastic and I'm just going to position the mattress back on the bed. Oh my goodness! Ah! Maybe that was unnecessary, but I'm excited. Lincoln! I was kind of shocked because I didn't expect the unboxing process to be this easy. Should I be the first person to lay here or my nephew? Me. Sorry, Lincoln. Let's do the others, folks. Ooh, ooh. Oh, this feels good. Oh my goodness. I got this for when my nephew comes over or boom, but listen, if they come over, I may lay in here and be like, yeah, you can sleep in my room, sure, no problem. Y'all, this feels so good on my back. First off, can I get a little acknowledgement for the fact that I just did this entire unboxing process by myself? Like, it was that easy. If you get a larger size, then you can definitely get someone to help you. The Lull mattress will do most of its expanding within 2 to 5 hours, and it'll fully expand anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. I'm so glad Lull reached out to me, like, right on time for me moving. This mattress is perfect.
You ready? Come on, let's go see your baby. It's big!
You like it?
Hey, Mr. Lincoln.
Jump.
Jump, jump, jump. Hey, Mr. Lincoln.
You like it, Sweet Pea?
I love it. Girl, you gonna work on this?
Grandma like
it for
it.
your back. Come on. Oh, it is soft.
It feels like
Y'all gonna be sleeping in
Clouds. That's what I said. I'm gonna sleep in
you know
here.
what this do?
What?
I can actually lay and my back hit the bed.
It adjusts
It
your
conforms,
back.
yeah.
That mattress in there don't do this. Y'all should send the queen. So this ain't just here, but I can actually lay.
That's what I said. So you won't have no back pains on this.
This adjusts too. Good
Also, in case you're curious, you can set up your Lull mattress on a platform frame, a box spring, or on the floor. I have a day bed and it doesn't really require a box spring. Lull also has a 100-night trial, so you have 100 nights to decide if it's right for you. And if you don't love your Lull, then they'll definitely come and pick it up and provide you with a full refund. Special thank you to Lull for sending me out this mattress. I really appreciate it. I have the perfect mattress for my guest bedroom. My sister and my nephew are actually going to spend the night now since I have somewhere for them to sleep. And I snuck and got some footage of them, y'all, since I'm up late editing anyway. She gonna kill me. I definitely recommend Lull if you're looking for a new mattress. I don't have any measuring tape, guys, so I'm using this. Or I do have it, no disclaimers. I don't know where it said right now. I'm gonna use the same thing I had it hanging on at home. My little ring light thing.
Right here, little pinhole. Right here.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
You on the hole? I think it's gonna feel familiar now. Yeah, that's good.
If you all are new to my channel, you all know how coordinated these were. So I'm about to start on that now. Basically, the ones that are similar go together.
Put it up here. Put it up here. Get it. Put it up there. Put it on this shelf. Yay!
Yay, good job, Lincoln! I get a lot of questions about my nail polish rack, especially when I was live on Instagram back at my parents' house because it hung right above my bed where I would always chat with you all. I actually built this myself. It kind of went something like me going to Home Depot, showing a picture and explaining what I was trying to do. And the employee that always helps my family and I cut the wood for me, showed me how I would need to hang it. I basically nailed everything together and voila. I finally have a wide, full-length mirror. Oh my god, it's so clear. I want those instructions there on the other side. Wow, it's like so clean. Let's see if this is something we can do tonight. Oh, don't get that dirty. Did it come with that? Okay, I don't see any screws in here though. Maybe I was supposed to buy them separately. There's nothing on the back of here. Oh. Did it come with any screws? IKEA, how could touch you. I'm just going to leave that for tonight, I guess, because I need screws and it didn't come with any. It's the next day. We can get a little bit better lighting because my ring light did arrive today. The exact same one that I ordered in 2016 when I first purchased the ring light. When I moved, I basically just decided to give it to my little sister. I just decided to log back into my account and order the exact same one, and it's what, 2019 now. She doesn't have any problems with it. I've never had any problems with it. We've never had to replace bulbs or anything, so I was like, you know, order what you know. And this one is good. Oh, I need to boomerang it for Instagram. Oh snap, I don't remember it coming like this. We don't need that. Hold on, I want to boomerang this. Boomerang this. Step back, turn that around. That should be good. Follow me on Instagram if y'all don't. Nicely packaged and nothing's broken. What a wonderful feeling. First off, because I know what that stand is going to look like because I already had that one before. Since this part is new to me, I want to see what it looks like on here really quickly. So I ordered this separate little tabletop stand from Amazon as well to go with my ring light for when I don't want to use the full size of the stand that comes with the kit that I purchased. That basically goes just like that, which means when I want to sit at my desk and film, it's lower to me. But like I said, I do have the option, like, I hope this video isn't too long. I just like to be really thorough and cover all questions on the front end. But I do have the option basically of sliding my desk out. So if you only wanted to order just what comes with this box, you can just slide your desk out. But catch your breath, Destiny. When I film in my restroom, imagine this on a restroom counter. Like, I'll insert the picture if I still have it of the time when I tried to force this thing to fit on top of my counter. The way I have this set up, I'll take a picture, insert it, and show you how I rig my ring lighting camera up on the top of the counter. But yeah, I'm looking around so that I can kind of do my hair. It'll give me that nice Vogue look, if you will. Or if not like Vogue, it'll just be directly in front of me versus my ring light sitting over here or kind of over to the side, and then the light hits this side of your face. See how that's dark? Also, I do want to mention maybe they package this box on the top, since some people threw theirs out because the way it looks brown down there like that, this looks just like it. That box could possibly come on the bottom. So if you do get this, make sure you get your tripod out of the bottom portion. Okay, back to hyperlapse. Oh wait, let's plug it up now. We can have good lighting for the rest of this video since it's dark outside now. Ooh la la. I probably use this thing all of maybe once. I need to look and see where it is. I don't know if I even gave on this part. This is the important part right here, and this hooks on to any kind of camera. Yeah, these do look different. The legs on this one is different from the one I have at home. Or not at home, it's not mine anymore. I gave it to Boom. No, the camera's about to die. I left to run errands and did not plug it up. Oh, do you want to be a vlogger or not? Oh duh, Destiny untightened the legs. The ring light will sit on the top of here the same way I screwed it onto the top of that one, and you adjust this according to what you want to film. I hardly ever let it up this high though, but for the vlog I'll show y'all. And see, the camera can't even get it all, and then the ring light will be way up here, but I've never used it that high. But if you need to, you can do so. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you how it turns up the brightness. That's super bright. The camera still adjusts to it, so you may not be able to see how bright it is because the camera is just going to still adjust to the lighting. And then this is when you turn it back down. You can order other little things that they have to attach, like a little mirror that will pop out right here. But then I feel like you'll be blocking the camera. It also came with 4 clear filters and 4 orange ones. I normally only apply 1 orange filter to the top, and then I do the clear ones all the way around. Just depends on what I'm filming. The orange ones kind of give you a really warm tone. I would have showed you all the rest of it, but my camera died. Oh my god, I'm wasting camera space. I can't open this. Wow. It's taped up, guys. Don't be like me. Be better than me in life, okay? Be better. Be better. Hashtag be better than all of Destiny all 2019. What? I'm like, give me my pen. Give me. Tell me what you think, Boom. Oh, this finna die. Should've went and got the phone charger. I'm listening. Here. Okay. Instead of wasting my time putting push pins everywhere, I just lightly press this tape on these paper towels to see if that's where I want these. But I feel like I can't really tell what it looks like. I should hang them for real. But I don't want a bunch of holes everywhere. Do I want them that high though? I guess more importantly, let's be clear, like in a filming room, everything is intentional. So I need to see, okay, if I'm sitting here, hey guys, so Destiny, blah, 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 you can see them, okay. But I don't want them like, bam, like right here just to be seen either though. I don't know what I think. I should go live on Instagram. I need to call Boom back on Instagram. She gonna be like, what are you doing with those paper towels? I don't know, I just thought of it in the moment.
What?
I was talking to Suck it to the camera. Uh-oh. Ow. That almost became a problem. May as well keep these paper towels to clean my mirror and let those go to waste. I hope I'm doing good. Oh, you know what? I forgot. This YouTube one has 2 things on the back. No, I didn't measure it correctly. Oh, it's crooked. Man, how is that still crooked? How many minutes does it take for a YouTuber to hang Plex on the wall? Got it. Finally. I considered hanging these other pictures I had in my bedroom at my parents' house, but it looks a little cluttery, so I don't know. Let's just move on to decorating the bed. I picked up this set from Walmart. I have a link down below if I can find it. There's nothing to explain, just about to set the bed. Me strong. Be sure not to purchase a disrespectful comforter set. Me super strong. I can't take myself seriously. You wanna see? See? Mr. Lincoln just woke up. I need to purchase one more pillowcase for that other pillow, but for the meantime, I'm just going to rearrange them this way. Okay guys, this is the before and this is the after. I absolutely love it. This is not the completed final look, but I need to go ahead and get this video out for one, so there's that. There's definitely a few other things I want to do to complete this room, but of course I can't finish it all in one day. Well, really 3 days. I edited it down to 17 minutes. I could have moved my ring light stand, but realistically it's a filming room. It's going to be in here anyway. Also be prepared. I finally have a full-length mirror now, so I'm playing no games on Instagram at this point. I do need to still hang it eventually. Let me know what you all think about me hanging other awards along that wall. As for my desk, I did check Home Depot last week. They don't cut plexiglass here, so I think I found this other place in Memphis that I'm going to have to do it for me. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Definitely be sure to leave any other suggestions, all that good stuff down below. I definitely still have lots more that I want to do in this room. Not too much, but like things like getting a vanity mirror, hanging a few more pictures, just finishing touches. So leave all of that down below if you all have any suggestions, questions, or comments. Be sure to leave all of that down below. Special thank you to Lull for sending me out this mattress. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you all as well for watching, and I'll talk to y'all in my next video.